Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the internet traffic junkie. I'm just here relaxing on my girlfriend's couch. I'm actually waiting for her to get home from work, and while I'm doing that, I decided to go ahead and shoot this quick video and go over how important it is to continuously check your back office and back page to make sure that your free ads that you're putting up, your free classifieds ads are up and running, and that when they expire, you go ahead and edit them if you like, or just renew them. And I decided to put the video together because I have to actually go in and renew some ads in Backpage right now. So I decided to shoot this quick video just in case you had some questions about doing that, and the importance of continuously having these ads up, especially if you're on a limited budget, because these ads do bring in leads. Okay, that's very important. It's a free source of traffic. Take advantage of it. So I'm going to go ahead. I already have logged into my Backpage account. As you can see, my name here up on the screen. This is my back office. Once I log in, then you can see I have 107 ads running right now. I'm going to go ahead and go to the last page. I have a few ads that have expired, and I'm going to take this opportunity to go ahead, and I haven't been modifying them, which I should, to maximize the efficiency and my conversions. I'm concentrating on my other traffic sources, but I want to keep continuous traffic going to my web link, whether it's a good ad or bad ad. That's my mentality right now. The more people I have looking at my ad and opportunity, my presentation, the more, the higher probability I'm going to have of having that ad convert into a lead and into a customer, and so on, right? So this is how you go ahead and renew your ad on Backpage. Just click renew. It's going to bring up your ad right here, and here's my ad. I don't care if you copy it or not. Is this a good ad or not? I don't know, to be honest with you. It's an ad I have out there. I can test it. And the way I'm going to go back into this is I'm going to start creating new ads and start tracking them and comparing them to the ads I currently have up on Backpage to see which ones are converting the best, right? So in this section, you want to go ahead and modify your ad. Or, if you don't want to do any changes, like I'm not changing this ad. The only thing that Backpage changes now that they require a mobile number. I'm going to go ahead and quickly skip over my mobile number, just so I won't have, there it is again, more people contacting me. But you can go ahead and change your ad here. You can add images or video. I have a couple of images on this particular ad. You can go ahead and put a couple of bucks into your ad. I don't typically do that. This ad is being posted in Charlotte for free. All I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and click here. I'm renewing the ad. I'm not sponsoring the ad. Sometimes by the number of ads you get, you will get ads that are sponsored, or the ability to get sponsored ads for free just for using the platform. And I have a number of sponsored ads right now running that I gotten, I guess, as a thank you from Backpage for using the platform. So all you do is hit check that, hit continue. Then it's going to show, here's my ad, here's the link that I'm advertising in this particular ad. All you're going to go ahead and do is click place ad now. And then it says thank you, your ad's been placed. I'm going to go ahead and view my ad. And there's my ad right there. And that's how you renew your ad in Backpage. Now, I have 107 ads running currently, and every time one of those ads expire, go ahead, like you just saw, and I go ahead and renew them, and I keep these ads running constantly. The idea or the thought process, don't mind my girlfriend's dog barking in the background, but the thought process behind this is the focus, which is to get as much eyeballs checking out my ad or my link that I'm advertising to as many people, targeted people as possible. And the people, based on this free traffic source, that decide to put their information in for more information that you're going to provide them through what you're offering, right? Um, will happen. Just be consistent, keep the ads running, and that being said, I'll see you on the next video.